Today I'm load banking an Olympian 75 kW generator. It's got a Perkins turbocharged 4-cylinder in it, and I'm just going to show you the load, the oil pressure, water temperature. So, here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but I got 3 of the 25 kW switches flipped up. It's not really focusing, not exactly sure why, but I'll show you up here. About 100 amps on it at 480. It's running pretty smooth. It's about 10 degrees outside right now. Burning nice and clean. $75 kW on the Olympian, 75. Normally I don't run them at full load on the load bank. Usually I shoot for 80%, but it's cold out today and I just want to show that it does in fact do 100% if needed. I'll flip it down a notch in a minute.